What's the best online bank account? Well, first of all, the account that's best for you may not be the best account for a friend or a partner. That's why you should go comparison shopping before you open an online account. You don't buy a shirt without making sure it's your size. You wouldn't buy a car without test driving it first. So it makes sense to do the same with banking products. You can use comparison sites, also called aggregator sites. Here's what to look for. 1. Services. What do you need your account to do for you? Well, you will need a checking account if you will be using it for regular withdrawals, not necessarily writing a bunch of paper checks. That means withdrawing cash, but also paying bills, doing e-transfers. You will need a savings account if you plan to keep the money there for a brief amount of time. While these types of accounts have higher interest rates than checking accounts, it's not something that will grow your money like you would with, say, investments. If you would love a hybrid account of checkings and savings, good news, there is such a thing, and it's called a hybrid account. It gives you the best of both, with lots of withdrawals and a bit of interest too. 2. Fees. Do you need to pay them? Accounts with higher fees tend to offer more features, and lower fee accounts are more likely to offer services on a pay-per-use basis. So take your spending habits into consideration before you open an account. Why would you pay for something you don't want to use? Think about how often you will use your debit card, send e-transfers, make foreign transactions, how many bills you want to set up for auto payments, and more. That will help you gauge if the fees are necessary for you. 3. Rewards. We all know credit cards have rewards, but so do online bank accounts. You can earn rewards such as points redeemable for purchases, including travel, depending on the program. It's worth considering if you can earn rewards on your regular spending when you're choosing an online bank account. What else should you consider when shopping for an online account? Your bank card. Check to see that there are bank machines for that particular bank close to where you live and work. If not, you'll pay for it with fees like network and convenience on top of a regular service ATM fee. Your branch. If you need in-person help with your bank account, know that not all banks have branches. There's a relatively new category of banks in Canada that operate online only. If having a real person available to help you, say with money orders, is important to you, consider that in your choice. Welcome bonuses. Remember, you're the customer and banks will compete for your business. Reap the benefits of a competitive market. You have a lot to think about, but once you identify what you need out of your online bank, compare it against what's offered, your decision should be easy.